wanted to get something where I could wear this thing around my neck. That way I can just kind of hang it there. This thing actually records pretty good though. Let's go see what they got. Tacos, tortas, burritos, quesadillas, bolitas. Never heard of that. Tostadas, pola asado, carne asada. That sounds good. Carne asada. They have rave reviews at this truck. Let's find out. Well, wasn't quite want to spend $19, but you're gonna make an omelet, you gotta break a few eggs. Rob decided to ride his orange Harley today. Beautiful downtown West Columbia area with a lovely sunset. Zaxby's. I had a little issue with the bike a while ago. Didn't want to shift into neutral. I know. I should have got carne asada. What was yours? 15 bucks? Well, I had to have 5 tacos. It's my own fault. Oh yeah, I'll have to take them home somehow. Guess I put them on my lap. Taco head. I just packed these tacos in my helmet. Yeah, that'll be great. Taco. It's a neat little truck though. Been here for a little while. Hey, we got here just in time. Got a little crowd. Supposed to be really good. We're going to find out. Robbie just informed me a while ago I left the key in my bike with the light on. Hopefully I don't have to run it down the hill to try to jump start it. We shall see. We shall see. You know, I thought about getting me a food truck one time. That would be interesting. Recording? And now. Oh yeah.
It's also about verde.
Salsa verde.
It's delicioso.
Holy moly, let's see what we got in this plate.
God bless His food for our body.
Amen. That looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna share some tacos with you. We'll split. Hang on for a second. Let me pause this, and it smells good. I'm downwind from it. How is it? I'm recording you eating. Good. Nice. I went with the tacos. 5 little street tacos with beef, onions, and cilantro. It's a mild sauce. Let's see what we got here. A little side order beans and rice. That's delicious, delicious. I think I should have got what Robbie got because it looks a whole lot better. And it's cheaper. Doggone it.
Got lucky.
I know.
Well, I'm going to enjoy it regardless.
Well, the sun is setting. Yeah, so's the food. Not too bad.
I don't know if you can catch both of us in here, or I'm catching both of us. I don't know who you is. But it was pretty good, really good. The beef tacos, a little bit chewy. Wasn't too crazy about those, but the chicken was awesome. I would highly recommend getting the chicken. And that's it for us on Food Truck Friday. Good night.